What is a haiku? A haiku is a form of Japanese poetry comprised of short unrhymed lines that incorporate natural imagery. Haikus can be formatted in various ways, but traditionally are three-line poems with 17 total syllables. The first and last lines contain 5 syllables, and the second line contains 7. The focus of a haiku revolves around nature and often reflects a particular moment in time. Japanese poets often include a kigo, a word or phrase that identifies a certain season. In this example, the kigo is the last word in the poem, spring. The subjects identified in the haiku contrast in some way, creating a shift that divides the poem into 2 halves. In a traditional Japanese haiku, the poet includes a kirigi word, a cutting word, which divides the 2 subjects. In this example, the word shop acts as the kirigi. Through imagery, the poet shows details that create a specific emotion, rather than directly identifying what they feel. When writing haiku, these rules apply. Most haikus do not contain titles, so their first line usually identifies them. Haikus have 3 lines. Traditional haikus utilize a 5-7-5 syllable pattern, 5 syllables in the first line, 7 in the second line, and 5 in the third line. However, more modern haikus have broken away from this pattern and are identified as haikus based on the content. There is no specific rhyme scheme a haiku must follow. Most do not rhyme at all. Punctuation, capitalization, and sentence structure do not need to follow any specific grammar rules. Haikus are always in the present tense. Now let's hear an example of the traditional haiku format with the 5-7-5 syllable pattern. An old, silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond. Splash, silence again. Here is a haiku that does not employ the traditional 5-7-5 format. The wren earns his living noiselessly.